As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Axie cost will hit $8 by the center of 2023 and afterward $12 toward the finish of 2024. Axie will ascend to $15 inside the extended period of 2025, $20 in 2027 and $25 in 2031. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.99. So the cost expanded by 17% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.59 and the year-to-year change plus 43%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 23%. In 2023, we hope to see $8.12 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $11.17. In the final part, the cost would add $1.25 and close the year at $12.42, which is plus 78% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later, close to days and months. Say, May 20th $7.02 Sunday, May 21st $7.04 Monday, May 22nd $7.07 Tuesday, May 23rd $7.10 Wednesday, May 24th $7.12 Thursday, May 25th $7.15 Friday, May 26th $7.18 May 27th $7. The 21st of June $15.72 July 15th $8. The 16th of August $8. The 24th of September $8.32 October 15th $8.39 Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $12.42 to $24.44, which is up 97%. Axie will begin 2025 at $12.42. Then take off to $13.36 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $15.36. That implies plus 120% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $24.44 to $29.03, which is plus 19%. Axie will begin 2030 at $24.44, then, at that point, dip to $22.97 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $24.26. It is about plus 247% from today. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.73. So the cost expanded by 29% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.65 and the year-to-year change plus 44%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 12%. In 2023, we hope to see $8.17 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $11.25 in the last part. The cost would add $1.25 and close the year at $12.50, which is plus 62% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $12.50 to $24.61, which is up 97%. Axie will begin 2025 at $12.50. Then take off to $13.45 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $15.47. That implies plus 100% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $24.61 to $29.24, which is plus 19%. Axie will begin 2030 at $24.61. Then dip to $23.13 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $24.43. It is about plus 216% from today. 04/15/2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.05. So the cost expanded by 51% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.38 and the year-to-year change plus 156%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 70%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.61 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.72. In the final part, the cost would add $1.45 and close the year at $18.17, which is plus 101% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.17 to $29.46, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.17, then dip to $17.65 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $20.30. That implies plus 124% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $29.46 to $42.34, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $29.46, then take off to $31.23 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.99. It is about plus 264% from today. 0401 2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.42. So the cost expanded by 40% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.05 and the year-to-year change plus 151%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 79%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.38 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.37. In the last part, the cost would add $1.42 and close the year at $17.79, which is plus 111% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $17.79 to $28.81, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $17.79, then, at that point, dip to $17.28 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $19.87. That implies plus 136% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $28.81 to $41.41, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $28.81, then take off to $30.54 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.26. It is about plus 283% from today. 0315 2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.76. So the cost expanded by 46% from the very outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.75 and the year-to-year change plus 163%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 80%. In 2023,